Kung gusto mong malaman ang mga pangyayari sa buong araw ng mga kamal na photographers at videographers, well, di ako kasali dun I think this video is for you. May mga tao talaga na malalakas, kayang kumamal ng higit pa sa isang event. At sa bandang dulo ng video, ipakikilala ko sa inyo ang pinakakamal sa kanilang lahat. Well, hindi ulit ako kasali dun Taga-kwento lang ako. Kaya sa video na to ay alamin natin ang mga pangyayari sa isang buong araw ng mga kamal. So, word of the day natin is Kamal Pamor. Katulad rin lang ng mga normal day namin sa trabaho, ang unang isushoot namin ay yung mga wedding essentials or yung mga details like sapatos, aras, bouquet, invitation, Bible at marami pang iba. At para sa morning wedding na to, ang studio natin
All right, all right. Uh, well, who took that short? That was a good. Hey, who took that short? Anybody took that short? Yeah, I'm waiting for this. If this thing is gonna hold the 364, 350, if that thing holds, I'm gonna go long. You just gotta see what will happen. As long as we wicked it, if we wicked it, it's gonna be good. Yeah, around 350. Let's see. Let's see what the reaction will be at 350. All right, that took a long. Yeah, I think so too. I think so too. Yeah, it looks like we are gonna take that out. It's all good. I got my stop already. So if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Yeah, I'm in the longs already. It's just a 10-point lose. If I lose 10 points, it's 10 points, $200. What? I know, right? All right, I took profit on that. I took $200 out of that. Yeah. 3 accounts funded. $600 right there. Easy money, right? Well, you didn't take it. I told you they're gonna wick this. No. So like if it holds around 360 and then never mind. I messed up on what I was about to say, but yeah, 360. Um, they wicked it, then obviously it's gonna go up. So right now there is a gap on 412, by the way. So they left a gap open at 412 because I think we're gonna be running up to that, and then that's pretty much it. But 371 is gonna get tested again. They're gonna retest it, and then if it get wick, I'm gonna go for it, going long on it, going long, one more time. I should have just kept that long. I don't know why I got scared. I would have made 20 point out of that. Ah, jeez. all good. This you learn, you know, you learn. That's part of the trading. Like right now, we still have a strong buy right now. Still, or we don't know what could happen here, but I think it would be a good short around 400 area. It's just for me. But we could squeeze up, you know, the weekly. The weekly is already on the imbalance on the weekly, by the way. So I think we're closing below the fair value gap. As long as we don't like close 400 for next week, I think we can go to the downside. If you want to look at my chart, this is my chart. I'll show you my chart. Give me a second. Let me share it from you for you. All right, there you go. Sharing you my screen right now. I know it's a lot. Let me turn off all the indicator. So this is what I'm looking at. Yeah, so what I'm looking at the market structure is that if we don't break anything in here for today, we're probably going to be bearish next week. So this is what I'm looking at. This whole imbalance right here that needs to get filled. If there's no candle on the weekly, a big candle, then obviously we might be going to the downside. But if they wick this, then next week it's gonna be it's gonna try to go to the downside. But we don't know yet. But look at this. There's a crossover already here. So this is already a fake out. So I think next week it's gonna be bearish. But and then the daily, yeah, we have to retest this area again. If we're gonna retest it, if they're gonna retest it, the 460, from what I'm seeing so far. And then if you look at my this one right here, it looks like a fake pump. And then right here, so I think that's like really good. So we did this. Now we're trying to see if this level is gonna hold this whole area, so that we can stay at 400. If we don't, then obviously it's gonna reach for all of these right here, all this sell side. But I think we're gonna be bearish. But we will see. Yeah, man, how's your trading so far? Yeah, you just have to wait. You have to see where it's gonna wick. It's usually when it wicks, you gotta take that position because you already know what they're gonna do. That's what I just usually do now. Just wait for the wick. Wait for the levels, then take the profit. Yeah, right now we have a buy indication here for the 15-minute time frame from what I'm looking at. They better wick this. Where's everybody at, man? Yeah, the 4 hour is bearish. This not looking good. 435 is our gap. So that's already a 60-point move. If we don't close above this area, then we're gonna be bearish. But it's Friday, you know. For Friday is usually not a good time to be trading. Gotta be in and out. I gotta go. Let me go call Baldy. I'm gonna go call somebody. All right, guys. So we are just thinking about what needs to be done out here. Which one are you guys think? What are you thinking right now? Yeah, that's pretty much what I was also thinking. I mean, for me right now, I am thinking like this thing could go. Let's see if it's gonna retest 350, and then if it retests that 350 area, I think we can obviously go for it because like right now we already at the 2.5 deviation, the negative 2.5, and then let's see if it's gonna react on the 4. What is the reaction on the 4? The negative deviation for 4. And right now we're below BWAP. So as long as 350 holds, that's Bulls is going to be in control of this situation, but the whole thing itself, it's bearish. So we need like 15 minutes or so. Because we did not hold this. Yeah. Let's see who's going to join in the shorts. Let's see if they're going to be chasing this at 350. Damn, where is everybody? Why is it so quiet on this community right now?
I don't know I don't know where
Usually
everybody is.
they're awake right now. They're all talking or something like that. What?
It's like they made a plan not to trade today.
Yeah, I think it's not a good time to be trading. I mean, obviously that's
Very soon, 9:30, I think all of them will soon be here by 9:30.
yeah. Usually Baldy is here. He's always the dip buyer.
Wow, there's a lot on your chart, man.
Yeah, it's already indicating to me 5 minutes, 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 8 hour. So you just have to decide where the levels is going to be at. And then that's where you look for, the 15 seconds. I'll look at 15 seconds just to see what the reaction will be. But most of the time, for footprint charts, man, I don't know how to read it.
Me too, I don't know.
I would love to learn it, but this is just pretty much what I have already, that I learned so far. Right now we're trading inside the 4 hour. We're trading here on the 4 hour, but we will see. I think we're gonna break down to the lower side, see if we go for 300 today, man, that's already bearish for me. Because it's looking like it is bearish. So we got like 10 a.m. So like an hour more, and we'll see what the candle will form for the 4 hour. That's what I'm looking for so far. But we will see. Because it looks bearish to me. We already broke through this candle right here. This was fake buyers. We wicked it at 507. Next thing you know, this is fake buyers right here. This could be a fake buyer. And now we're wicking it again. So I want to see a reaction around this area. And then after that, I'm probably just going to be aiming for something lower. So we have buy side liquidity here. Well, I don't know. I'm just a regular trader like you guys. Just a regular trader.
What's up, guys?
Hey, what's up, bro? How's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
You made some money today on that
Yeah.
news?
No, I'm not trading news now. I made in London.
Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning.
Hey, what's up?
Good morning. I was done in London.
Yeah, I'm
Well-
going to buy from here, man, for a few ticks. What do you all say?
Yeah, I'm buying into this.
Okay, I'm buying into this. Let's see here. I'm ready to sell also. Okay, just in a few points. Let's see here.
I am buying into these. It's wicking it also. That's the
Yeah,
thing
it's
about it.
wicking it, man. It's wicking 5 minutes from the below.
Yep.
And then it's on the small support side as well. Let's see the 8
Let's see
o'clock
what the
is coming
reaction.
though. It's 8 o'clock.
No, that's not good.
That's not good. Looks like
I have my stop at 354. So
I just need a few points here. Okay.
I mean, I would wait for the 5-minute close.
8 o'clock is coming. So 8 o'clock move is a little bit some algo or something is trading. Okay.
yeah,
So
but I think it can go to 400 right now, and at 8 o'clock, I think we can go to 400, and then people will be shorting it around 412, and then 439. I think it would retest the high again.
yeah.
Because we went to 500 right yesterday, 507. Yeah, we went to 500.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's push little bit more.
Yeah, 5.
4 ticks, 5 ticks. Okay, let's move. I think I'm okay. I'm going. Okay, 1.2 point. I need to join a meeting too as well, man. I have a meeting coming up real quick.
Mm.
Okay, I'm out.
Good
60.
stuff, man. Good stuff.
Dang, brother.
Let's go. That's what
I
I'm
mean, that's
talking
why
about.
Let's
that's why
go,
you wait for
buddy.
it to close.
Look at this price moves.
I know, right?
Too much excitement is not good for the trader's mindset. So we need to keep quiet. Okay, we need to keep quiet and play.
Yeah, exactly.
Bro, you buy the dip. That's what it is. That's what Baldy would say.
Yeah. So am I good or no? I mean, am I offending someone or here or what?
No, you just have to, you just have to be vocal with whatever you want to say. That's all there
Okay.
is.
Okay. Sorry though. Okay, if I offended anyone, I'm too sorry for it. But that's what I see. I made $100 on the FTT. So 150 yesterday, $150 so far. I'll probably come back because I have a meeting going on now. Okay, I'll have to come back, guys. Good luck.
Right. All right. Take care.
Like, if you look at if you guys look at my chart right now, you got the order block right here. If you guys are looking at it right now,
Yeah.
we kept that 68 level. As long as we
Mhm.
can keep this 68 level, I think we can obviously go to the upside more. But we don't know. This is right here, this level. This is very important. I'm just waiting for a good short opportunity for like 100 points.
No,
And now just
that's the
scalping.
best to wait, man. That's the best to wait for.
Who went long on that? I'm still holding my long.
Oh, no. I went long, but I'm out.
Mm.
We're still on the trend line, by the way. There's a trend line on this right here. So if we can't break through 375, we might be because all the trend line players. Give me 30 minutes. I want to see this. Yeah, look at the sell side liquidity. Look at all this.
Yeah.
It's holding so many wicks. 1 wick again. So 354, like 350 is like important.
Yeah.
As long as this order block holds, that's all that matters. Yeah, I'm just gonna get off of this.
That 350 is very, very important. Something is happening there.
Yeah, it
Honestly.
is.
Yeah, only 15 minutes, we have relative equal lows there.
So there's a 9:45. Let me go see right now. So there is a 9:45 and 10 a.m. news.
Yes.
FOMC member, and then just a heads up, guys. Consumer sentiment at 10. So 10.
9:45? Is that 9:45 for 8:30?
No, that the FOMC member is a yellow folder. So it's 9:45 a.m. And
Okay,
then
I didn't check the yellow box. I only checked the red box.
I usually check the yellow, but the orange one is the 10 a.m. We already got the PPI numbers.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna wait for the reaction. Just waiting on the reaction. This would have been a good short, to be honest with you. If you look at my chart, you see the order block that I have.
Yeah.
This was a good short.
Exactly.
Hi, Urban. Can you explain me the orange line? How you identified it?
The orange line?
Yeah,
Which one?
the one you say order block.
Oh yeah, it's right here. So this
Yeah, but how you identified it? How you recognize it?
So how I identify it is basically you see this whole area right here. This become an order block. So we push and then boom right there, and we're like this whole this whole level right here is very, very bearish.
Yeah, because they break up structure over there, right, from the previous 5, 6, 7 candle over there.
Yep. So like you already broke down to that, and then we try to push up. So this whole area right here is bearish.
I see.
So now you can literally just draw a box from here to there. So technically this is an order block. So anything above that area, but we did not even form a big candle. So it's not gonna go up to the upside. And then if you look at the oscillator, there's nothing that helps it.
Mm-hmm.
So this whole thing right here, this is where the new shorts are at.
Okay.
That's how I look at it now. But right now they don't want to take it to the next level, which is around this 300 area. So 350, 300 is like, so every 50 points, right? You can gain 50 points for every trade. And then that's where they're gonna decide where it wants to go. But looks like we might be going to the downside more. But we will see. And plus, if you look at my 15-second chart, there is a gap at here at 412. Usually when there's a gap, they leave that open because it's a I don't know why they leave it open, but usually gaps tends to fill. Like how this thing is already filling this. If you look in here, the 357.
Mm-hmm.
You remember when they already did that? If you look.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
I don't know, but that's pretty much my idea.
Morning.
Yeah.
But I'm just waiting for them to wick it again.
Thanks, man.
What are your bias, guys? Short or longs?
I'm short. I'm gonna be short on this.
Short.
If I can get to 412, probably gonna be short on it. But I don't know yet because
I need to see the sweep of the low first.
Yeah.
CPI was bearish, right?
I'm not sure.
Huh?
Yeah.
No, CPI was bullish, I think.
Oh, was it
Bearish?
bullish?
PPI was bearish.
Yeah.
Bearish, right? Because it was worse than expected.
Today was PPI. It was
Yeah, it was higher than
same,
expected,
same.
correct? Core
Yeah,
PPI year over
same
year.
and higher. Yeah, I think.
Yeah, so inflation is higher, so that's bearish, correct?
I
I
think
don't know.
so.
I don't know fundamentals, so.
Yeah. USPPID score.
I mean, structure-wise, it looks bearish.
Yeah, we'll find out.
Yep. But if you, I'm looking at the weekly right now. We are. If we don't push this all the way up to 500, then obviously next week
Oh?
is gonna be bearish for me.
hindi ba nod?
That's what I'm looking at right now.
فين غادي تمشيو؟
Yeah.
Right
I'm
now
looking
we're
at-
holding 371. If we hold 371 to around 350, I think we can push up.
So you got a big buyer at 350.
Oh, yeah.
That's your big buyer down there.
Yeah.
You looking at the book map right now? Let me go see.
No, this is just your price action.
Well,
We're
I traded.
expecting. Go ahead.
I traded shitty today. But it's whatever.
If you traded according to your strat, you did good, even if you lost money.
Well, I did. That's the thing. I mean, I did, but I didn't took a trade. Which I didn't took 2 trades with my strategy.
And
both
they hit
would
TP
be-
or no?
Oh yeah, like 3 to 4
Oh.
R. I mean, easy.
Yeah. You have days like this when you miss the TPs and
Now, like, I have a problem. I need to fix that like soon. I have a 150K account, like 2 of them, and I risk like $200 on each of them. So that's nothing. Like I'm trading on them for like 2 to 3 weeks now, and
Yeah.
I'm at 153K right now. So I made like 3K.
yeah.
But I only risk like $200-300 on each trade. So like I'm not making much progress. So I need to risk more.
No, you don't need to risk more. Just consistency.
That's up to you.
That's up to you, man.
Yeah. Yeah, but like if I mean, I'm doing progress like a 50K account, you know? That's just because I'm not risking like to my account equal to the account size equal. You know, I should be risking like
How much you
6
risking on your 50K account?
No, I don't have a 50K,
Ah,
but
you
like I'm
don't.
saying, I'm risking like I have a 50K account, you know?
Oh,
Like, I'm
yeah,
saying-
yeah.
Bro, that's a very good mentality, honestly. If you're going to be risking that and you're consistent and you're getting payouts like that, just continue with it.
Mhm.
Once you deviate from what you have been doing before, believe me, it's going to be a problem.
Well, I trade futures. I'm trading futures and like I traded crypto before, so I'm trading futures for like 2 months now. So I need to first of all find a strategy that works, and then after I did that, I bought the FTT account, and since then I'm trading on it. It's just a numbers game. Like if I risk 800
Is it a
or 1K,
combine? Is it a combine or you're on funded?
What do you mean, like combined?
Is it valuation or funded account that you're trading?
No, it's FTT account. They're all in.
Fast track. Okay, FTT. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, my bad. Yeah.
No, okay.
Go.
All right.
I want to see 362. If they wick this 362 area, I'm gonna buy into it.
So, just real quickly, remember we were talking yesterday with that guy who was telling me where the zones were, right?
Mm-hmm.
These are the zones I had laid out yesterday, and this is your strong sellers in the market right here and above here, at the 18s from previously, and then today we had these levels. These are levels I just dragged over, right? And we bottomed off one of them, so there was a buyer here, but once he got ran through, this buyer's gone now. So this buyer got fulfilled.
Yeah.
Right at this point. So this buyer got taken. This buyer though is hella strong. As you can see, we're tapping into this buyer multiple times, and there's still buy side liquidity here, right? So you need to take out this buyer before we move lower. So far though, we have a new seller, right? This one right here. And when I say new seller, it's not one, it's a collective. but new interested sellers at this point that are selling into this right here. So I'll break above this in more of a macro sense. Macro more of a bigger time frame sense. We'll bring us up to 482. If we break below this, I don't think, in my opinion, if we break below this and hold below this, I don't think that well, from a 5-minute standpoint, this doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad. Uptick in volume. Oh no, that's downtick in volume here. This is your uptick in volume, so I do have that right. Okay, so I don't think this is your real buying here. I think this is your real buyer right here. So if we want more info, we got to go more left and see where the buyers were previously. So you had a real buyer here, and I think you have one little block down here. But let's see where this lands.
اه شنو؟
The zones that I
اسم بخوني
gave
تنلحق
before
عليكم.
I went yesterday, cafe
ما
traders,
مساليش.
they worked pretty well for the short.
Yours did? Nice, dude.
ما عرفتش
Yeah.
الصراحة.
I mean, I didn't trade because I was done already, but because I hate PM session. New York.
We are busy discussing. How can we mute this guy?
Just click on him. And then
لولي
Just right click
المغربي
on him.
المغربي يقطع الميكروفون المغربي.
Is that Swiss trader?
Yeah,
No,
this
it's
was.
not me. I just came
You
back
can-
now.
you can-
Just came, bro. Don't accuse me.
Bro,
Good
you didn't
morning,
fill his,
everyone.
No, it's sad. I think sad.
you didn't
No,
fill
it's
his
Lou,
presence
no?
when he came in.
Luli?
I felt his presence. I was like, Swiss,
Yeah.
where are you, man?
Yeah, dude, that's how I felt too. I felt the chi in the room, dude. His power level was just like going off.
How are
Swiss,
you guys? What's up,
Good
everyone?
man, how are you?
Swiss, are you okay?
We're good, we're good.
Yeah, I'm good, brother.
Yeah, but
Please, we missed you.
so I'm looking at BOOKMAP Pro at the BOOKMAP right now. We have
Yes, sir.
a big buyer at 325, by the way. Just a heads up, guys. There's a big buyer at 325. There's a big pool of liquidity there. So
320.
so 350 is gonna break, but 325 there's a big buyer. So if that thing,
Got you.
just a heads up on that.
What's that? It's on the book map. Right.
It's on the BOOKMAP.
How many lots is it? Oh, it's
It's like
110.
so yeah, it's like 25,
Salam.
52 or 102, something like that.
Mine says 110
110.
on the
Okay.
dom.
Nice.
Yeah, but nonetheless, yeah, I think we're gonna be open's gonna change a lot, but I think once we get this
Yeah, let's see what the open does. First.
لا بس يضرب في التليفون باش ما يسمعوش الناس.
we still got more data coming out.
Yeah. So like the 10 a.m. that one is, I want to see that. I want to see the reaction at least here. I mean, it's
Yeah.
still bearish to me from the looks of it. 4 hour is bearish, and then the 1 hour is bearish.
Yeah, I want to say that it got leaked overnight, but I think that the other inflation around the world was bearish as well. So I think they were kind of like anticipating a bearish sentiment on today's data.
Really?
But I don't trade fundamentals, so.
Fuck fundamentals, bro.
Like I said-
Swiss,
Yep.
how are you?
Good, brother. How are you, Keep Rising? How was your day?
Man, it's okay. I took some trades today.
Yeah.
So.
I'm just checking now what happened, and we're still in the same value of yesterday and the day before. So for time being, there is a kind of indecision. That's what I can say. This is the ES, and you see like we're still in the same value than yesterday and the day before. But
Yeah,
the
it's gonna
thing
be a
is,
bearish sentiment for me. I want to look at it.
yeah, that's what I was about to say. Like I'm talking about the ES, was like dollar channel anyway. But we still like we trading below this VPOC here and this one also from today. But we're still in the same value. So yeah.
So right now, my plan is I want to see the reaction of for above 400. If the 400 is gonna hold, then obviously If it doesn't hold, I'm going short. So
yeah,
there.
it could above, like what you mean, like above 400,
So like
450?
412 is what people are watching right now,
412,
from
yeah,
what I'm seeing, and then
14
after
also,
that,
if-
if there's any reaction of it holding or not, then I'm gonna go short all the way,
Mhm.
all the way down to 325.
I agree
I
with
don't
you.
know which one is gonna reach first right now.
Like I don't know if you use the volume profile or
Mm-hmm.
not, but if you see
Hmm.
we're making volume now in this lower area here. The most volume was traded in this area, so we're more likely to push lower. I agree with you, but yeah, we're still in this, like in this areas from yesterday and this day also.
Let me
I
see.
mean, even TPO looks horrible, I would guess, right? Because a lot of 30-minute candles are closed because that's like a mini range below, so the lows are ass. So even if we push up, you should look for shorts because those lows that are going to be created down here and the volume, that will be target liquidity. So every push up
Mhm.
should be shorted.
Yeah, you can look for honestly, you can look for shorts and some retracement for the buy also, but yeah, maybe yeah. I don't want to be biased, like short biased or long biased. I'm as
I mean, I'm
everyone
biased
knows,
based on the
I'm a scalper,
structure.
so
I'm
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
biased based on structure every
I agree with
time.
you. I agree with you, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, structure looks bearish for now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I
So
try.
even yeah, sorry.
No. Go on. Sorry.
No, I was about to say, like, even if it goes above, that's why I was asking. I don't know who was talking about this level, the 400s. We still have this area to short, like 415.
Recién he
All this,
visto. Cuando salió no me he dado
all this
cuenta.
area you can short it also.
Who is that dude talking?
Yeah, sometimes
Ah, entonces recién ha pasado. Pues.
it's
let's
not their
just
fault.
let's just mute him.
Yeah, yeah. Don't hate on him, like anyone who comes here, because this is the thing. Like this is stupid from Discord. Like once you get to a room, the mic is already open, and it's like
Yeah.
a stupid thing to do.
The
So
other
please
thing
mind
that NQ is doing a lot of times is it's slowing down the selling pressure, so it's traps sellers like it's doing right now, and it's not
Lou, I
water.
muted you. I thought it was you. Okay, Lou, it's
J
you
Josh.
speaking now.
Mute J Josh. That's who it is.
Jesus, okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
no.
I was about to mute
I'm not speaking Spanish.
No, yeah, I can't see like who's speaking.
He's speaking Mexican, bro.
Oh shit, my bad.
You don't speak Spanish. You speak Mexican. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm Filipino, so you already know, man.
Filipino, you're like
Damn.
you're a conquistador, dude.
Like
You're
the
in there.
best people in the world. Like one of the best people in the world, Filipino. I had a lot of Filipino friends. Very
Kamusta
good
ka?
people.
Oh, snap! There we go. Mabuti na ba? Mabuti naman.
Bro, we only speak English here and Arabic and French. That's it.
Yeah. Oh, I want to hear some French words like I love you, something like that. I want to hear that. How do you say that?
Not from me. Not from me.
Come
I
on, man.
love
I
you.
want to hear
It's
that.
easy, bro.
Everybody wants to
I
hear
love
that.
you. It means je t'aime. Someone is breaking dishes here. Who's like what this kind of noise? I have to find this one.
Hey guys,
Like,
I gotta make 150K in 6 months. I need to make 150K.
Okay. Yeah.
For what?
That's
I just need to help out my community, bro.
What are you gonna do to help out your community?
I hope for you, like you make 1 million.
No, if I can go 1 million, then that's good. But right now, my goal is 150K, so that I can actually invest on them. Trying to invest on the.
How would you invest on them?
So I got a restaurant business that it's a business partner. To be honest with you guys, he's struggling right now, but at the same time, I believe on his vision. Also, a realtor who's been helping out, man. Who's been helping out like a lot of like people just trying to sell their house or trying to buy a house. But he's also struggling. He only made like 25K, and then the restaurant business itself is struggling because of all this inflation. And the only way to beat it is if we trade the market. That's all there is.
Mm-hmm.
That's why that is my goal right now, is to get at least 150K so that I can reinvest and get their name out. Because I'm a social media, right? I do content creation, but I need a team. I need a team to create content for them.
Yeah.
Are you
The-
profitable?
Right now, I made 18K last week, but I lost it. I lost
No,
now
like
I'm
did
down.
you get
I'm down.
payout?
Yeah, I got a payout and stuff. I got one payout, and
But
yeah, but
the thing, bro, when you're aiming for like a certain amount of money, it could be good and it could be bad because you can make more or less.
yep.
So don't expect like a certain amount of money coming from the market. That's the thing. Otherwise,
Like a struggle that I'm facing as well is like it's the same stuff with like the amount of risk, how much I'm risking. It's like you're trading for money, and the same way the same goes for you. You're trading for a goal of money, but like what I'm seeing, if somebody looks at my stream, right? I took
do.
those. Yeah, I mean, I took those like wait 1 sec. I took those trades, right? I took those two trades, those shorts. And I exited because I was up like 300 to 400 bucks each, right? But my analytics said 100% like this is going to reach, and I said it yesterday to Cafe Trader after I left. Before I left, I said 352, and he said like I like it and stuff like that. So like that was my final TP, and like if I would be holding it, that's 11 hours, so I would make like 4K, like just on this entry.
And then you should have bought at 352. You see?
Yeah.
Well,
I mean,
I'm
I
just
tried
kidding.
this long
Not
as well.
financial advice. Shouldn't have
No,
done
I
that.
tried this long as well, but I got out as actually I got out on this 2 times because I didn't want to lose my profits. That's also a thing. If I'm in profit, I don't want to trade, but I have trades. Like it was a perfect buying situation. S&P reclaimed the 7.5 Fibonacci. This one tapped the 7.5 Fibonacci. It broke structure here. A small
Hey,
like
Luke,
out of the range.
sorry, let's see what's happening on this level. The 356 is taken.
Huh. Yeah.
I'm bouncing. I'm gonna go stream. Take care, guys. Have a good morning. I might actually leave this up, but if there's not enough room for people, message me and I'll stop my
Okay.
stream here. Okay?
Okay, brother.
That sound good? That bad move?
Yeah, it's all good, man. Do your thing. You gotta make some money at the YouTube, bro. I'm also streaming at YouTube.
Let's do it, baby.
Yeah, let's get it. Let's
Cracking
get a
it now, though.
community. Let's get a community out here of traders.
All right, peace, guys.
Yeah, watch for 325. 325, there's a big liquidity at that level.
33, 31 also.
Mm-hmm.
It's holding a 786 Fibonacci. But a lot of sellers
I
are
don't know
stepping
if
in.
this level got tested or not yet, but 2120 in the ES, it's like a strong level also.
Yeah, 2021 is a good level for bounce.
Yep, this
because
is where
ES is much more stronger than NQ today.
Yeah, I also got the pivot on it also. 320, 316 area. Yep. Also got the pivot in there.
I don't know if someone is trading gold also, but there was like a short opportunity around this.
I made a strategy on gold, but I don't like gold because it like behaves weird. I made a strategy on it, and I traded a couple of days on a different account. But I liked just like futures because I mean my goal is to build a portfolio with like consistent gains and then go to a private equity investor. Like out of like just go to a private equity investor and then trade with own capital on like a broker, right? Without like firms and stuff.
Okay. I don't like the short, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. 2021 ES is a good level. It was a strong level, I remember. 16. It went to 16. Okay, it just came now because I didn't see what happened, but yeah.
Well, it's also range POC.
Just dipping toes in the market now.
Oh, 1 minute and 17 seconds till open.
Mm-hmm. One more push to the downside in the Nasdaq, and we go in to check the 33. Okay, I'm gonna tighten my stop here. Okay, let's go. One more push.
Bam.
Okay.
Down.
Trading my stop loss. Still in my short in the gold also. I'm gonna just trade my stop. Okay. Okay, my stop now is at 36.00. Gold at 64.8. Mm-hmm. 24.25. One more push, one more puke to the downside. Otherwise, I'm gonna be out. I'm gonna try to smash up to 32, very close to the market. Let's go. Okay. I have like a support here in this area, 15.20. I'm out. Up. Let me guys just do something. I'm gonna stop the stream for 1 moment. I want to change to sim account now since I'm in this room of crazy people.
I hate when stuff like that happen. And who's going down? S&P is going up.
Okay, now I'm on the sim. Now I'm on the sim. Okay, now we can have fun. Yeah, I have this support here.
Yeah, it's
16 to
886.
20. Yeah, and you have also 301, 306. We broke this level. That's why I took the short even like with the open. So it was good. So I'm out of the gold and the Nasdaq now. And that's it for today. Now I'm just gonna have fun with the sim. Yes, key pricing is pushing higher. 31 to 30.00. This area, there's buyers trying to push the market higher. 31, 30.00. I have big buyers coming, stepping in the market in this area. So maybe we could have, if we go a little bit, yeah. Nasdaq is trying to push also. This support was very good. This one was very good to buy.
Yeah, it's the 926, 886.
For me, it looks like the Nasdaq is leading because sometimes the ES. Let me see. Yeah, Nasdaq is pushing a little bit, like it goes a little bit before the ES. Oh,
What's good? What's good?
hey, brother.
Morning. Yes, sir. Morning.
How you doing?
Morning.
Bro.
I
You
saw
were
you
watching
streaming a
movie?
movie last night.
I'm telling
Yeah.
you, maybe.
I was
I
chilling.
came
I
by
was
like,
watching. Huh?
yeah. I came by. I
Watching
was
this.
like, what the fuck is doing?
I'm watching this series called Gangs of London. It's actually
Ah,
pretty
okay.
entertaining still.
Okay, I don't know this one. I
Yeah.
just finished Snowfall.
Snowfall. Yeah, that was a nice
Yeah,
one.
yeah. You see key pricing 31 again in the ES. I don't know if you're watching or not, but 30 to 31, it was a good area. Like there's buyers there.
I'm seeing it right now.
Yeah, I was talking about the ES. So Nasdaq, we're still holding 25, and I have this support here. I have two support areas, 320 to 15, and then 300s to 5. Yeah, I have these areas here. And this was a support before, and now they broke it, and it acts like a kind of resistance. 47 to 51 in the Nasdaq. fine. Even if it's a little bit. Okay. No, they want to push higher. I'm gonna get into
Nasdaq.
this trade. Nasdaq, yeah, they're trying to push again above this level.
Yeah, but
I
we
saw
already
some
created.
absorption.
But we
Yeah.
created a 15 minutes fair value gap already.
Okay,
Almost.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think if it taps into it, maybe.
Yeah, but the thing is, ES
Okay.
is still trading above 30. Okay, 30,
Yes.
31.
Okay.
And there's like some kind of divergence. Okay, like the Nasdaq is trying to go lower. Okay, now now the short is good. Because even the ES is trying to break below 30.00. If we break below 30.00 in the ES, we're going lower even with the Nasdaq now. Okay, I caught it from here, like from this resistance here. And we need to break this one, otherwise, yeah. Okay, my stop now is at 27, 26. Let's see, okay. Cool. Okay. Okay. Still holding these areas. We're still holding these areas, and ES is trying to push below 30. Wow. Yeah, you see. One more push now, and we're going down. We're going south. Otherwise, if it triggers my stop, it's gonna go a little bit higher. Look, my stop got triggered, and now one more push to the high, maybe. Yeah, you see. Oh, yeah. Support, resistance, other support. And if I see the volume profile, the open, ES is still in the value of yesterday and the day before. So maybe we're gonna have a balanced day, so we can buy the lows and sell the highs, and we're gonna stay in the kind of a range. But we need to wait just the open. So we need to wait the first hour to pass, the initial balance to pass.
All right, I went long on that one. I got filled at 323. Just a heads
Okay,
up.
nice long. We need to break above 55.
No, 57. It needs to break above 57 at least. Let's see what will happen on this candle. This
57. 57.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like,
Damn.
like yeah, it's an area like 50 to 57, 56. Anyway, like it's an
I
area
mean,
where
we are
the
at 30,
sellers-
so we need to come all the way up there first, and
Yeah.
then
No, but
break.
he came back. He came back like he took the long from 23. The market went to 45 almost, so he was not that far. And the Nasdaq was big. Yeah. So,
If it doesn't hold this, I got my stop at 324 since it's just gonna be break even.
I thought I was streaming my screen, by the way. So sorry, guys. I was speaking, but not showing my screen.
So we will see. Oh man, this sucks. Oh. Looks like it's not gonna hold it. All right, yeah. So.
Now we're coming back to retest this area. Let's suppose 14 to 20. I would not take a buy again here. Maybe it's still holding, but
No,
I hate
third
when the
time. I
Nasdaq-
mean,
yeah.
every time, it taps again, it gets weaker.
Exactly.
It's gets weaker. I have my own rule where like in a range, the top of it taps 3 times, or the low taps 3 times, then there will be a breakout. And I saw it so many times where it taps 3 times, it's failed to break down or to push up, and then it's gonna break out on the 4th time. Like
I'm
so
taking
many
short
times.
here, small short, just to see if we're gonna break it or not. Okay. My stop is just 26. So
I mean, S&P is not moving. It's like a
no,
rock.
no, no, it's still holding at 30. Yeah,
Yeah,
this is the
like a
bottom. This
rock.
fucking level is very good. This support is very good.
I don't like that, like when NQ is trying to go down heavy
Mhm.
and S&P is just like a rock, like not doing shit. It's really difficult to trade. For me.
Mhm. I understand. Yeah. I was about to buy, but I thought it's gonna break, and this support is still holding. I entered the short in the middle of the range. But by the way, guys, I'm on the same now, so I'm just doing some shitty stuff. Don't do what I'm doing. Disclaimer, disclaimer. Buyers are still pushing the markets, and yes, now the 30 is still holding.
I went long on that one again.
Yeah, yeah, it just dipped a little bit, like around 16, 18, but yeah, it reclaimed
I
that
think we're
much
gonna
is
go to
high.
400, 415. I say.
I'm not. I'm always predicting like maybe the 10, 20 next points. I took a short in this area because I saw some selling activity in this area. That's why I was short, and I'm still saying, okay, now 29 looks good. Let's see, it's holding. 29 is good.
29 is good. It's holding.
Yeah, so for me, like if you have a buy, you could put your stop just below 29, like 26, 27.
Okay.
That would be your stop now. You see it's pushing higher. Like even if you scalp 29, you could have 10 points quickly. I see some liquidity waiting at 43 and 50, but it looks like some spoofing happening there. So okay, now we have 36, 37 is buying. Okay, like buyers are stepping in 36, 37. So if we push higher, we're going to break the 50. Look at 36, 37, guys. The market can't go below it because there are buyers there. You see, so, like me as a scalper, I would trade my stop now at 35, for example.
35.
Yeah, this is how I manage my risk because I'm a scalper. I don't do, like I'm not looking for big moves. I don't care. The market comes back at 36. It could go below and retest again 29 and below it maybe. So I don't want to give the markets back the money that it gave me. And you see how accurate my stop loss is. It you see, I
Yeah.
told you 30, right? So you see how the market.
All right. So we're pushing back up now. Let's see what 57 reaction will be, because if we hold
break
57, that would be a good indication.
Yeah, but first, if we break 50, just 50, we're going to 57. So you see 50? Look at the market what it's doing there.
Yeah.
It's blocking at 50, like at the dot. So we need more buyers to come to step in, and yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, okay. You see,
Yeah.
it's just like it came above it and then came back below it again. So we need more buyers to come.
They're coming in. What do you see right now on the chart?
No, they're not here. They're not here. They're not here for time being. So either we're gonna come back to 37, 36, and we look for buyers to push again the market higher, or we're gonna reverse to the other side. 36, 37 again. Watch it. Yeah, you see how it's like
There it is. There's the big buyer now.
Yeah, and that's how this is my real price action, not in the candles. So I'm just watching my DOM. I'm not even watching my charts, guys. I'm just watching the DOM and making commentaries. So we need more volume here now. More volume. They're trying to push higher. Let's trigger some stop losses here and go. Yeah, it's look good. It looks good. It's looking good to break. We're going to break, I think. It's gonna be beautiful.
It's gonna be a beautiful trade.
Wait, yeah, 55 again, and 55. It's coming from here, guys. If you're watching my screen, this area, there was a seller here. 55. We need to break here. 55.
Looks like we're reclaiming. We're reclaiming it.
Yeah, it's okay. Buyers are in the market now, so yeah, it's okay. So now we need to stay above 50, 49. This area. We need to make volume and push the market higher again. One more push, and then yeah, this is beautiful. We're going a little bit higher. We're going to let's wait a little bit, and there's a buyer at look. I'm just pushing buttons here. I'm not trading, guys. Don't do what I'm doing. So we have buyers in this area. So I'm buying like the top of this move, okay? But just to show you, there was someone, yeah, exactly in this area where I got executed, okay? So if this one hold and we push, yeah, he's here again. There's a buyer again, buying again, more lots.
How much lot is it?
It was like almost 200.
Oh, nice.
Even more. So, but he needs to hold. If there is 200 buyers, it means there's also 200 sellers. That's the thing. So we need to stay. And this, I don't like this price action. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now it's looking good for the breakouts. So for me, if we go like to 66, 67, something like this, you need to trade your stop again. And you can trade it, but not here. But yeah, for me, if I was a buyer, 45 would be an area to put your stop there, 45. And then wait for this move to happen. Yeah, this is not looking good. Yeah, that's why I'm just look at 45. If we go below 45, we're gonna reach this 36 and reverse again to the low. But buyers are still there. Buyers are still there.
Yeah, they're still stepping up, right?
Exactly. So 45 now is my stop. If I was in a swing trade, my stop would be at 44.50 exactly. That would be my stop. So we need to stay above this fucking area, and my stop would be somewhere here, for example. So the most accurate stop loss now would be at 45.50. Sorry, 45. Yeah, even 45.50. But 44.50, 45. This would be the stop loss. It doesn't mean we're gonna retrace, but at least I'm not gonna give the market all this money back. And we see like sellers are coming back in this area. You remember 55?
The 55s where they're coming back?
Yeah, 55, 60. Sellers are still trying to push the market lower again. So you see my entry, my stop is just below it. You see how like this is how it could be accurate. So the entry was at this area and the stop just below it. So let's take one out. It doesn't want. This is a good sign. Okay, go. Push. Yep. Push. Pushy, pushy. And let's go break the 61, and we're gonna be in a bullish move. Nice bullish move. Okay. So I'm taking everything out. I'm gonna leave one runner. I'm gonna leave it at 45.50 as we said. And let's wait and see. Okay, I don't like the price action at the ES.
What's the
I
price
would
action
love
on
to
the
see.
ES?
I
It
would love
doesn't
to see
break
ES.
highs.
Yeah, but now, like exactly at this moment, I would love to see it. Yeah, this is perfect. Now it's good. Now it's looking good. We need to stay above 35 in the ES, and we're gonna break and push higher in the Nasdaq also. So it's looking good for the time being.
Yeah, it didn't broke the high and then got rejected again.
Yeah, I'm biased. I'm bullish biased for the time being. Honestly, buyers are really stepping in the market, so we may push a little bit higher. And I see liquidity waiting in the market at 38 and then 41, 40. Maybe it's spoofing, but at least the price action at 34, 35, there was definitely buyers there. So it's looking good. Looking good. So now, if you're trading, if you're still in your trade, I don't know what's your name. Sorry, I forgot.
I have my stop
Uh,
at 37. I bought into it at 28 again.
37, yeah, it's nice. But now, like, your stop would be maybe, yeah, you could, if you wanna, like, I don't know what's your target.
My
Because
target is 400. That's what I'm
I
trying to
never
aim
have a
for.
target. I never have a target.
Yeah,
If the
I don't
market
have a
gives me
target
like
right
400,
now. Whatever is the price action is gonna be at, I'm
yeah,
gonna.
yeah,
But right now, my
exactly.
target is like 400.
So you could put your stop maybe now like 45 or even 53. But 45 is it's a good area just to make a stop if you're looking for a bigger move.
Yeah, I'm gonna short it at 412 probably. Once I see 412, I'm just gonna short it.
Yeah. If you have a setup that tells you to short
We
it.
got a 10 a.m. news, by the way, so that's why you gotta be careful on that.
I'm trading with sim now. When I come in this room, usually I trade sim
Mm-hmm.
every time.
How much do you normally make on a live account, if you don't mind?
I would not disclose that.
Oh
Like
no,
my personal
like what's your like your strategy? Is it like a 2R or 3R kind of like thing?
no, I don't expect, honestly, normally with my strategy, like if you saw my trade that I took now, like in front of you guys, okay? So I entered 47, I think, like this was the entry. My stop was at 43, 44. So I
Mm-hmm.
had 3 point stops in the Nasdaq, and I took out almost everything around like 55 to 60. So you calculate, you make the calculation. But yeah, I'm not looking for I don't have targets. So normally, if I have like a small stop and I have like 3 point stop and I have 12 points, normally that's what I have, like 12, 15 points. It's good. Let's say this is the average, not the average, but that's what I'm looking for. I don't have any targets. Never. I don't put any target. So now this is like a kind of reversal. I don't like this last move from 67, 68 to now.
Yeah, same here. I'm not liking it.
But if the buy at 45 is still here, we may reverse again and go retest the 67. So
Well, I took a short on that one. I like the 15-minute.
you took the short.
Yeah, I took a short. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work.
The thing is, ES is still
I'm
bullish.
adding
That's
to
the reason
my
why
I added to my long now. I added to my
I
long
don't
at
think we
51.
should
Yeah,
short
I
here.
added to my long at 51, and I'm gonna hold to this trade because I told you 45. If it holds, we're going to retest 69. I took one out now at 60, so 51 to 60, nine quick points. I still might have my stop at the same area, 44.50. But yeah, it depends. Like I can say I take a short or a long, and I'm aiming for like 2 points, and maybe you're right for your short. It depends where you took the short.
Mm-hmm.
But as I said, for the time being, buyers are definitely stepping in the market like since the below, like, yeah, 29. Remember 29? I was talking about 29. So above 29, 45 were in the bullish area. The bulls are in control in this area. So I would always look for a long in these areas between like this area of the 29 and 46.
Well, I bought into that. I took out my
Mm.
short and then just rebought it.
Yeah,
I'm-
just yeah, don't change. Yeah, but like if you have your setup, I'm not gonna tell you like yeah you're doing wrong. But yeah, if you have your own setup and you saw like there was a short opportunity there.
Yeah. I didn't
Yeah.
like that setup. I was like, oh man, and then now it changed the bias now. It's all
Mhm.
good.
Mhm.
It's a small loss, but at the same time, you gotta stick with the bias.
Mhm. Mhm.
So as long as we can break through 379 area, I think we can push up.
He has been stronger than NQ since yesterday, possibly.
Mhm.
.那你会 hold 住吗？OK。那你 hold 你出来的时候就是
Sunny John, microphone please, microphone.
NQ is still pretty weak. I would short 394 maybe.
Why you say it's weak? Yeah, I just want to know like how you see it.
Because the amount of movement from S&P in what is it called, in like side to side with NQ, it's weaker than S&P. So if S&P rejects at the high, and it's at the high, or like it does it pulls liquidity and then pulls back because it got all of the stops from the shorts and stuff. I think NQ will be getting rejected pretty hard because it's not even like getting good. Like it's not even like closing into the range. Probably, yeah. Sorry, my English is not that good.
No, it's okay. Like my English also. But this candle here, I don't like it in the footprint. I just saw it. Okay, so that's why I was asking you. Why you asking me? But at the same time, if like I make like a trend line, I was making like some higher highs and higher lows. That's what I'm seeing.
I mean, 2 minutes till the 30-minute close, so volume is gonna come. We will see if S&P does a swing fill pattern on the high at 838. If it does that, then you could trade a SFP with the stop above the high that's being created right now. If it closes below,
Yeah, we do have some news hold right now, so just
we got rejected at the range POC on NQ by a little range, so that's bearish in my opinion. So I never looked at footprints. I just see candles, to be honest, and closes.
Yeah. No, but like it's always like interesting to have like other vision. But
Yeah, that's why I asked as well for like for 1 hour ago, like why everybody is bullish, or like yesterday as well. It's just good to know.
I think like if we can get over 375 ish, should give us a quick push up to like 390 at least.
This candle, this one, I don't like it because this, like, if you see the delta, guys, and I'm not going to say that,
Yeah, 20
like,
seconds. It's
buyers got
fading.
absorbed in this candle. Okay, Buyers get absorbed, and now this candle now. This one I don't like it too. Okay, we need to push. Like we need to see more buyers. More.
That's what I'm here for.
10
seconds.
Push the market. 10 seconds.
8, 5, close below SMP. Ah man, mid close. Oh shit. Dang. Oh, there were news now, right? Fuck.
Yeah.
Forgot about. Yeah, it's not 10 a.m. for me, so I didn't have it on my radar.
Since I'm on the same, I'm gonna trade the news. I don't know what are the news, but I'm gonna trade just to see the price action. Okay. Okay. It's looking. Let's see. I'm gonna buy maybe here with the small stop at 38. Let's see.
Are you going to buy with the 15 minutes fair value gap there?
I don't watch the fair value gap. I only
It's
watch
a little.
unfair value gaps.
It's a little bit like.
Assalamu alaikum.
It's a little bit riskier to sell here because there was a lot of rotations made
Assalamu
underneath.
alaikum.
How you guys doing? What's happening?
I'm good, alhamdulillah. Just having fun with the news, trading the news, trying to.
Yeah, I'm good, bro.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Glad, guys.
Those fast moves.
We're trying to push lower. Like some buyers trying to hold the market in this area that I bought.
We're going down I think we're going to go all down to 314.
I love when retail traders say that.
Go to like 301.
301 is the target for me. If we go if we break 327.
Got no confidence.
5274.
Yeah, it's like 301.
Guys, retail traders, listen to me. Watch my long, okay?
That's
that's
my style of trading, man.
But you got no confidence, baby.
Watch, guys. Watch the.
Who's singing the song?
Pretty nice tail on the 5 minute.
Sniper.
Me who? Lou.
Sniper.
No, not me. I'm not singing.
Sniper. وين السنايبر?
Yeah.
They bought it, guys.
Sniper.
All right. I'm gonna take a stab at the long here.
Retail guys, I bought in the fair value that he said. Okay, throw the ICT trash in the bin and come for my course.
It's a good target right here, but I'm still holding.
You're crazy.
Hey, never mention ICT in front of me, okay? After this,
I took a long too. You know who took a long in this?
38, bro. 38,
That was yeah. I took a long. This is Valdi. That was a decent. That was a decent long right there.
Oh, definitely. I'm seeing a double bottom, breaker structure, and a correction.
I'm already out. I left.
I don't even read price action. I have too many indicators. I gotta blind myself, and then I just buy.
I took profits.
This is a sweep. This is a sweep. The move is there to happen. This is a sweep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right?
Absorption.
Sweet, you're crazy.
Hey, you remember I gave you the buy in the ES. It was at 30. I told you that it could go to 40 and 41. So that was the buy in the ES.
I guess now we're gonna have a direction because if you were
guys,
they can stop you.
We're still ranging. It's not the easiest. It's not the easiest to trade and chop, right?
Nah, but guys, don't forget what I told you before the open. Okay, look, if you use the market, the volume profile, we're still in the balance day. Okay, like we can make like some move to the upside and downside. That would be maybe now it would be a rangy day. So yeah. But just for the notice, next time don't mention ICTs, please, when I'm here because I'm gonna block you guys.
I have a really good video from ICT that I gotta share that with you later.
Yeah, I have one. I shared it. Like he lost in the Robin's Cup, something like this.
Oh, that's another one, but I got a better one. Like when he speaks, a lot of his very like strong mentoring, like it's very passionate.
So gold is holding below 65.01. I don't know if someone has a setup there, but it struggles to go above 65. So let's see what's gonna happen in the gold also. Look at this beauty, guys. I told you 65 is holding. Look at the gold if someone is trading gold. Quick $1 move. Like you put 10 lots with the one tick stop loss and you take. Don't listen to me, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Not a
Yeah,
financial
Swish,
advisor.
Swish always having fun, you know.
I'm always having fun, but you know, I don't know. I'm lucky, so it works. That's the thing.
Yeah, I know. Even when you're blowing accounts, you're having fun same way.
Exactly.
Swiss, how long are you trading?
I'm a little bit more serious at the moment.
Too long, bro. I lost
Are
my
you guys
hair.
still going into?
I lost my hair and I have glasses now. That's how long.
So
it's
couple years.
Yeah, brother. Yeah.
Okay. How how long are you profitable?
I'm not profitable yet. I'm just losing money and blowing up accounts. No, honestly,
I wanna see you push above 380, like right over here. Like you see how these buyers are stepping in, Swiss. I want to see this guy's follow through to above 380. But
Which
the
indicator
follow
you're looking
through
at?
is not
Because you
that.
have like 1,000 indicators. You have to tell me.
Yeah, you got to narrow it down first, yeah.
It's the order flow labs that I told you. I'm in a long here, but the
I'm
problem
still-
is like
Be
it's
bullish.
gotta go above
There you go.
at
In
380.
the beginning.
Oh, there it goes. I'm still in my long.
Again, it's gotta. I want to see some more
Wait.
buyers push
Who
here.
was
It's
talking
gotta
about the
push.
liquidity grab? We need to know what is it, the liquidity grab, because it's still not.
It's gonna be 415 for me for the liquidity grab. I would say 415. That's
Like you're using the ICT terms. So
I'm out.
no. This is the imbalance that I have.
God damn. I'm taking profits right here. Damn.
Do you see that 380 above that 380? That was the
Guys,
trade right there. But
remember something I told you, like 29 if it's still holding in the Nasdaq, and if it's still
my
above
profit was
we
95.
stay bullish. This is like a good
My
area.
goddamn computer decided going to fucking update. What the hell?
Fuck Windows.
You should postpone it, man.
I have to send you something. Wait. Sniper, I have to show you something.
Seems like we're going higher.
yeah, is no someone tried to take profit here, just a little bit of profit taking, because there's some trap longs earlier from the 830 up here.
Are we gonna retest 413?
Sniper.
Yeah.
Watch the chat. I'm gonna post you this. It's like always funny. This is funny. I don't know if you saw it before or not.
Damn.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, some profit taking though, because of the stuck longs
Valdi
over here.
comes to the room, you know, like the market's going up. He pops the market.
I mean, I called my trades. So far I had 2 calls. I called my longs.
Yeah.
And this time I was serious. I wasn't like
Yeah,
I wasn't like trolling. And I did just say
wait,
there's some
wait,
profit
wait.
taking.
No,
So like if
wait.
anyone is
No,
trading like multiple cons.
You know, Valdi, now it worked, you say you're serious. But if it didn't work, you would say, I'm not serious.
Yo, Swish, I'm going through the same shit right now, bro.
No, but yeah, more seriously, Valdi is a good trader. Just he's trolling here, so don't listen to his trading advices. That's it, because he's always buying the market.
Yeah, that was
No.
always buyer.
The problem is that you know, if you're depending on the market that you're looking at, right? Like you have to understand that everyone always wants to buy, right?
Mm-hmm. Of course, if there are sellers, it means there are buyers also, right, Valdi?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. But if you stick to one side, you can only be wrong 50% of the time.
But you have like a shitty risk management, bro. You're aiming for 2
It
ticks and
depends
you
on
have a
your.
stop
It
loss at
depends how
200.
much. It depends how much of the size you're risking. Like right now, I'll show you one of my fills. Right, look.
Yeah.
I just let this run. I'm just gonna put it.
Oh, come on,
I'm
Grom,
gonna put it
don't
in the
like this.
chat.
Where is it?
Well, I'm just gonna send it to you, so you can see. I'm not BSing you.
No, bro,
Yeah,
I know
just send it to him.
you're not BSing. I know.
You see, that's
Yeah.
just
Bro,
one. I'm just holding
nice,
that's just
nice,
one
nice.
contract I'm holding from right there.
Very nice. This is nice.
Because I wasn't
But
afraid
I
to
know,
hold
I
that.
know, like I know you're trolling, bro. I know. I gave them an area to buy, but the people didn't trust me.
Yeah, I
They
mean,
didn't trust.
I saw you.
They
I
didn't.
saw you were in the buy.
They
The
saw
problem was that
they
news.
saw fair value gap and they saw liquidity gap and yeah. Now
Yeah,
the news, yeah, of course, yeah. It's
it's all
almost like
about unfair
gambling.
value gaps, though. The
Yeah,
unfair value gap is the best one.
me and Valdi, we use the unfair value gap. It works better than fair value gaps.
Oh, it always does.
We
It
have a
always
course
does.
for it. We have a course for it, guys, if you want.
Yeah, it's anywhere you see it's empty, that's where you should be buying. Where nobody else is thinking about buying.
Yeah. Yeah, we have the course available. Yeah, $500 monthly fee.
In the dark web, guys. Send crypto.
Yeah,
Yeah,
dark web is the best.
we'll
Is
accept
the best
crypto.
fell spot. Yeah.
We'll accept
Guys,
Bitcoin.
I don't know who was trying to short 411 or 412. I hope like you have a tight stop loss.
Oh god
That
damn, look at
was
this.
more of a profit taking. That wasn't.
Yo. Bro, that double bottom. Oh my god.
I like a triple bottom.
Look, I'm gonna do
A little
something that
bit
Valdi
thicker.
would do, okay? I would buy the highs. I will buy the highs. Okay,
I mean,
we
either way, I'm
we
still.
may reverse in the okay, seriously guys, in a serious note, here, like this area, okay? I can put a lot of lots because I don't care, it's the semi count, but this area, sellers are stepping in, okay? You see how accurate I am with this. Look. No indicator, no fair value gap, no
All them guys that buy from the bottom selling right now.
I don't know. Some people.
If we break above, like if my stop get triggered here, we go in a little bit higher. Look.
Yeah, it's a 7.5. I have that area as well here.
Good one. And now I'm calling the top of this move. No, I'm joking. I don't know what's gonna happen. But I'm just saying there are sellers in this area. That's it.
Oh boy.
It's a 7.5. It's a 7.5.
Yeah, they're not that strong yet, though.
I'm with them. They're gonna get strong. Look. Let me blow on it a little bit.
Goddamn.
You know, I have a strategy, guys. I'm selling it also. Let me show you. If you know how to draw a gun and scare the market, it's gonna work. Look. This is a small gun, so I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not.
I'm still holding my long.
Okay. Look at my gun. Look how the
Yeah,
market
it's at an area where it could reverse. That's right.
Yeah. No, but I'm not saying the market's gonna reverse, but I just seen some selling activity. So you see how the market slows down in this area? That means sellers are
I mean, that's a 7.5 if you look
Because
at
that was so it's that if you go to the left, that's the overnight stuck longs right
But
there.
even my shitty gun is scaring the market, guys. Even my shitty, like my small gun, the market is scared.
That's overnight stuck longs, Swiss.
Yeah. I'm not even seeing the charts to tell you. Like I'm just watching the DOM and I'm seeing like some selling activity working. Like there are some sellers, but it doesn't mean we're gonna reverse. I'm just saying the market is slowing down in this area because there are sellers. So yeah.
That's the London sellers.
London.
The Londoners.
Yeah. So I'm from
Yeah,
Europe.
it's all
so I'm
liquidity.
connected with
That's the
Europeans.
bad highs. That's the bad highs in Asia and London. From London.
You guys
This
think
guys, you see this?
270 ticks is enough?
You see this line? This is the settlement line. Okay, so this is the price of the closing, like from yesterday. There is always a reaction here sometimes. I just saw it now. I didn't check that.
I would say take profit, Vlad. Look at the exhaustion.
Oh, my gun is scaring the market. Sorry guys, if you were long.
I think I'm just gonna add more.
Yeah, you know what? 20 is holding. 20 buyers are stepping in back again in the market. Okay, 20, 22. Doesn't mean we're gonna push like high. Maybe they're gonna get destroyed. But 20, 21 buyers are trying to push the market higher.
Come
I
on
would,
now.
yeah. What? You're short?
No. My computer's still friggin' updating, bro.
Ah, okay.
Shit pissing me off right now because I want to get in some trades.
See, the thing is, right?
No more
The thing
sellers.
is,
No
like,
more sellers now. Yeah.
a lot
Go
of
ahead, sir.
a lot of people are like, oh, I should have bought. I should have bought.
Mm-hmm.
But when you do buy at the bottom, it takes it takes some getting used to the holding through that.
Yeah, it needs to trap sellers first to go up. That's what it did right there. On the move
how the
down.
He
market
just
is,
gotta be
guys?
smart with the ranges to us,
You
but
know,
he just gotta
you
look
know,
to see how far the market push down, how far the market push up.
you know
Market
how the
short.
market, you know how the market
Yeah,
works, guys. Because this, I heard like someone saying we need to trap sellers. Not necessarily, bro. We need,
Not every time, yes, of course.
yeah, because we
always
need
need to
buyers.
buy more.
We need buyers and sellers. You see, Valdi, I bought the top of this move. You see, like I bought here
I can see that.
because of you.
But
Oh,
look, you still have room. You still have room. Look, I
I
give you a
survived
little
that
bit
part.
more. I'll give you. I'm still holding it. Look at the chat. I'm still holding it. I'm not. I'm not. I didn't let go.
Let me add. Let me add. Let me add. Let me add.
Just watch some spikes because
Okay.
adding over here.
What's this beautiful?
Look. I'm still holding. I'm still holding.
What's this beauty? What's this beauty here? Oh shit. Oh shit.
Just watch the
Okay.
spikes. There's some spikes over
I'm
here.
taking some out. I'm taking some out here. I'm taking some
All
out.
right.
I'm just gonna leave one runner.
That was I took out at the 50.
So if someone is long ES or Nasdaq, be careful now. Okay. Like in a serious note, be careful now. Right now in this area, be careful. Tighten your stop. Hold on to your pants.
Another 105. Fuck it.
Like I'm seeing buyers selling, but I see like
I've never seen
someone
anything like it.
trying to hold the 60 in the ES.
The thing is like
Actually, I have
right
a
over
lot,
here.
but still.
Right over here is like
Straight through all
some
time
people are
side.
not willing to hold that long, and they're obviously gonna shake them out. So that this is why I just took my profit. I'm done.
Maybe this area is gonna maybe buyers are now done in this area, so maybe you could come back to 25, 20 to try to rebuy again. Maybe, not saying it's gonna happen, but all this area now you have to be careful, guys. And the
875.
ES 60 to 59, 58. Now sellers are stepping in the market, so be careful. Watch out. Sorry, guys, I'm coming back.
I short the 21 EMA. Yeah.
Accept risk. I'm not going to be getting rid of my position early.
I do anything that doesn't make sense to do. That's exactly how I trade.
Yeah.
If
Who's
you
that?
and if you follow my what doesn't make sense to do, just look at the chat. Look how many ticks. Look how many ticks I got.
Now let's see what fib is like here.
From?
Who is that? Who's that?
Okay.
Who's that talking about on the phone?
I don't know.
Yeah, I could get filled, I think. It's possible.
I think it's Darth Vader.
Yeah, it's Darth Vader.
She said she want to get Phil.
Yeah.
Who's that?
Yeah.
Who's that said she want to get Phil?
Darth Vader.
I think she got Phil.
Darth Trader.
She got filled?
Yeah.
I mean, it all depends on what you want to get filled with.
Oh,
Well,
now
I took a short on this one.
You just ripped up like 300 ticks.
My computer is pissing me off. Yo, this bitch is updating right now. My God, 20 minutes leave. What? Yeah, the HP, bro. Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn. Seems like I gotta forget and sell this and get a new computer, but a different one.
If
I
you
mean, I was
if
gonna
you
get a
hold like
Mac.
300 ticks, if
I
you
don't
hold at
want
least
to.
300 ticks, you can buy the dip computer. It's a really good.
I mean, I already have a Mac right now, but I was gonna get a Mac initially, but since I never went down like a virtual machine on my Mac right now, I just get a whole separate computer. But HP is garbage, dog. Yeah. The only thing with virtual machines is just that it invites like bugs and shit like that on your system, and I'm not really trying to do that to my MacBook.
Are we not allowed to delete messages?
What do you mean?
I don't want to show my profits.
Yeah, just hold. If you're on your phone, just hold it down and you see like you will see it. Hold on.
Okay, I think I got it now. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. You're gonna go short on the 21 EMA? Oh, I'm gonna short on the 21 EMA.
Good luck with that, buddy.
Thank you.
The 21 is like so precise. Oh my. 21.
Yeah, the thing is, like, I know that people want to buy there, so I'm gonna sell there.
Being smart.
But all right, guys, I'll catch you later because
There's your ticket.
I'm still trading. I gotta find my next entry.
Top ski. Alright, this bad boy next time. I think I might invest in a gaming PC. My next purchase.
I think he's mute and he's streaming on YouTube, but maybe I'm wrong.
My boy Bossy. It's still looking bullish. God damn.
All right, guys, I'm about to head out. Also, I'm gonna go work out. Done trading.
Nice. Enjoy your Friday, bro, if you don't get that.
Yeah, we gotta go work out, guys. You know.
Yes, sir. Health is wealth.
Yep.